Adam C and welcome to my Nissan 350Z. This is a Japanese car, as I'm sure a lot of you know. It's not a German car, but whichever one it would have been, it wouldn't have mattered because today is German versus Japanese. Yes, they are back and they are hosting a meet at Distinct Automotive and B-Road Hunting Club, their new venue. So it's an open day that German versus Japanese are attending, and I'm on the list to get in. I am very early today, so I hope to capture cars, oh it's this way, arrive at the meet. Oh, that Golf is a little bit modified. He's probably going to the meet. Matt Green. I'm going to catch up with you once I'm there and hopefully capture some arrivals. Alpacas in the field. So we are just coming up to the location now. We've got a rather modified mini in a Rusty's kind of effect. Two cars ahead of us. Morning. How you doing? All good, thank you. So let's capture some arrivals. We've got 45 minutes. Got my 350Z model on display as well. So there will be more than just German and Japanese cars because Distinct Automotive and B-Road Hunting Club are hosting their own meet as well at the same time. But here I am, third car in the very fast field. Here's the Mini I was following on the way in. Yes, not only German versus Japanese cars. Something sounds like a Subaru yellow. Didn't expect that colour. And a turquoise one, wide body kit and a spoiler on the back as well. Got a couple of M4s, including one with the M Power livery. Got a 997 GT3 and a Porsche Cayman GT4 as well. Lovely, Marlboro 2002. Right, we have a convoy coming up. We've got this E30 with his bonnet bra on to protect for the journey here. A couple of Mazdas. I believe there's a Bullet Mustang down the end there. Bullet Mustang pulling in. And a 350Z with canards in baby blue. The strangest sounding 350Z I've ever heard. But it is just starting to rain, so I think it's time to grab an umbrella and have a look around at some of the cars that have turned up. I mean, more are still arriving, including this Audi RS6, the V10 model. But before we detail the spectacular nature of the cars in this meet, I would like to give a quick mention to the sponsor of this video. BOTB have given away £34 million worth of absolute dream cars to hundreds of winners. Cars similar to those featured in this video, such as RS6s, A45Ss and various Porsches, are up for grabs in this week's Super Summer Special. You can choose between 6 insane supercars or 6 favourite performance machines plus £100,000. The prizes are worth between £165,000 and £225,000, but tickets start from only £2.20. You can even opt for a cash alternative prize and can win a further £20,000 for just 30p more. Take this C63S AMG for example. It's worth over £79,000 and comes with the extra £100,000 in cash. And tickets are as little as £2.21. All details are in the description below, but act quickly as this deal ends this Sunday, the 2nd of August 2020. And right at the front, the star of the show is this Rocket Bunny GT86. You can tell by the little LEDs in the front bumper that's quite a unique Rocket Bunny style of bumper. Some fantastic bronze wheels as well, and wrapped in a maroon shade. I love the colour, I really do. D-badge on the front, looks really clean. Got an E46 M3 turning out, making some noises. So let's do a little walk down the aisle. We've got the RX-7 and Mr. 2 with a dog sat inside. We've got the camper, two-tone camper, white with red, a Fiesta MX-5 and a Mitsubishi Evo. Is this here for the show? It's pretty clean. E is genuinely parking up. There we go, it's on display. It looks clean, to be honest. So just beyond this Subaru is the Marlboro BMW 2002. We have seen it at a few events before, but obviously not recently. I just love a livery. I know I've said it a lot, but it just makes such a difference to the appearance of a car. This in standard red or standard white wouldn't look quite the spectacle as it does now. It's also got some wide arches, it's got some M-branded mini light style wheels on it as well. And it's got the twin central exit exhaust pipes on the rear as well. It's sat pretty nicely, tucked in there like a dream. And next door to the 2002 is this E30 with its Alpina steering wheel and one of the cleanest engine bays I have ever seen on an E30 BMW. We've got the Mark 2.5 MX-5 with rotors and a red tongue E36 wagon. F81 is that for the wagon? I don't know, maybe. And a TT. We've got a revving GTR with its loud turbo, and here is the blue 350Z that we saw coming in. So we've got the canards, the front splitter, evil headlights, and bronze wheels that have been slightly tainted. Yes, the truck is actually at the show on display. We've got this Volkswagen Scirocco, which has got some modern Scirocco R badges on it, and Audi wheels. And further down here we've got this Audi RS Q7 that has turned up, which is essentially a Lamborghini Urus. And check these out. Check out the size of those brake calipers. They are the largest brakes I have ever seen on any car. But next door to that we've got this rusty Mini that we saw earlier. It's got the rusty style bonnet. That is a rust paint on the bonnet. It's got the yellow spotlights on the front as well, and a weathered teal effect on the body. This is what I like. I like things different to normal, cars that don't take themselves too seriously. And the theme is continued inside as well. It's even got classic mini seats on it, very padded, not much support there. You've got the air ride at the back and a suitcase, Mr. Bean style. Red roof as well, suede, and a pistol. So you've got the vintage push car on the front that also matches the paintwork on the rest of the car. The wheels are the only thing that don't match, but I've been told that they're going to be changed into a rustic res to match a bit later on. They're a bit like a Minion at the moment. Even got little details like a classic Mini logo on the back. Also got this R33 Skyline with its strutless rear spoiler, and this yellow TRD Toyota Mr. 2 that we've seen recently. I'm a huge fan of this colour. Should I maybe wrap my Nissan this colour? Potentially? Maybe? Yes? No? Potentially? And we've also got a Focus RS, we've got a Corsa with some pink bits on it, and a couple of E46s with their engine bays on display. A lot of carbon fibre on each of these. Also got this two-tone Volkswagen Golf. He's got a bit of mustard on the back of it, and the Scirocco next to him sat low on its rotiforms. There's actually some orange pinstripe in there, but you can't see because of the vastness of the grass. There are still cars coming and going. Cars are leaving. Cars are arriving as well. Oh, this E36 has got something on display. And an S14 with some yellow headlights. Oh, that was close. He's split up the strip of lights at the rear as well, which looks really unusual. There's a Mazda 3 in matte purple. And here we have a pretty insane Golf R in two-tone with an abundance of stickers around it. And further around is another JDM wagon. I need a name for these kind of cars. This is a Nissan Laurel there, which is not a chaser. So cars are starting to leave, so I might head elsewhere now. I'm going to head into Ascot to do a little lap and see what's around in the area, because it's a very nice area for spotting of nice cars. But let's have a look at this Iveco Ford that has been on display today. It is the cleanest truck I've ever actively noticed. He's got the bed up. That's all I can say. That's where fuel goes. Diesel is the fuel that's used. There's two wheels there. There's two over there. It's a six-wheeler. That's to support the weight when it's got stuff in it. Oh, and there you go, an exhaust. So back in the daily, it's an hour and 20 to get to Ascot, so I'll probably catch up with you once I'm there. We've got a very loud Subaru in front. I can do noises too. Approaching the very wealthy area that is Ascot, and I've already seen an Aston Martin V8 Vantage. However, the weather has turned. It's got even worse than it was earlier. It's now actually raining. Wow, pillars! Wait, look at that! Yes, did you see it? It had pillars. Chris Evans lives, wait, where does he live? There? One of these houses. There's an Audi RS6 about to pull out that car park. probably should have let him go. There's an MX-5 with the roof down. He's got his hat on and sunglasses on. He is cool. He is looking cool. So I will now drop into the passenger seat of, let's call it a taxi, to do more spotting. So this is This is Maranello Egham Ferrari, our local Ferrari dealership. They've got F12 with stripes and many Ferraris outside on display, and Maserati of course. Found some more Ferraris around the back. This is someone's back garden. It's he's a fan. A very green colour on the least green car in the world. Oh, that's mint. SLS and Vantage. We are in a golf club car park. There's a Bentley Mulsanne. Is that a Mulsanne? Yeah. They're the golfists doing some golfisting.
Golfisting.
So we're at McLaren this time with optical zoom, so we can actually see what's going on. There is something blue in there. Oh, there's a yellow P1, Volcano yellow. Just put Volcano at the start of any colour and it's the McLaren colour. It's like Volcano black, Volcano green, Volcano silver on the Yaris. We've got an RS6 and a BMW M5 right outside Super Futura. There's some toasty machines in there. I can't quite see, and that's a colour. And then we have the Koenigsegg window with a Koenigsegg in it. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I can reveal to you all my MGB. It's not mine. And finally, we have Mercedes-Benz World, which is closed. Yeah. And on that terrible disappointment, haha. Oh, an SLR. Fair enough. Decent. And an SLS Black Series. So maybe not quite the disappointment, but I'm going to end the video now, so I hope you enjoyed it. That was the German versus Jap meet at Distinct Automotive with the B-Road Hunting Club. Follow me on Instagram for all the highlights and updates about these things that I do and all the behind the scenes action. But for now, thanks for watching.